Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the websites where you can practice coding. So nowadays all the students were facing a common problem that they were very good at syntax and the theoretical concepts, but they were unable to write the code for any problem. So the only one solution is you have to solve a lot of problems and you have to spend more time in coding. So then only you will be strong in writing a code. So for that, in this video, I'm going to show you the complete solution where you can find a lot of problems and where you can practice a lot of problems by solving them. Right? So now let us move on to the system and I will explore all the 5 websites so where you can practice coding. So let's move on to the system. Yes, hello friends. So now we'll see the top 5 websites where you can find a lot of problems and where you can practice coding. So the first one is a W3 resource. Okay, so this is the website where you can find the complete problems on all the concepts. So in a easy mode and a moderate and a difficult mode. So if you go to this website w3resource.com, you'll be finding first the tutorials. So you can see front-end tutorials, back-end tutorials and all these things. And here you will be finding the front-end exercises with online editor. So back-end exercises with online editor. So here you can see all the technologies. So you can find if you want to solve problems in a Python, so you select this Python so that you will be finding a lot of problems here. See, these are all different exercises. So just scroll down. So you'll be finding different exercises. See, Python basic part 1, 150 exercises with a solution. So you can also get this solution. And see, don't hesitate that copying of code to get the solution. You can copy the code if you don't know, but try to analyze each and every step of that particular code. So then only you can be able to solve the same kind of problem once again. Okay, so first practice it. So try to solve on your own. Otherwise, you can just copy the code and analyze that code. That is the most important. So here you can see the Python advanced. So if you click on the here, so you'll be getting a lot of problems. See, so these are all different problems. Write a Python program to implement multi-threaded web scraper that respects robots.txt rules. So you can click here to see the sample solution. If you don't want to go with the advanced concepts, go with the basic parts. So select the basic part. You will be finding here. So see, write a Python program to find out what version of Python you are using. So, and similarly go with this one, accept the user first and last name and prints them in a reverse order. So you can click here to see the sample solution. So here it will be giving some sample solution, explanation with the solution. See, and here it will show you what is the output, what is the input you are giving and what is the output you will be getting. The first name and last name and reverse of that particular names. So this is a sample code you will be getting. So first practice the code on your own. If you are unable to find the code, then you can refer the solution and analyze each and every statement. Okay, so that you can know where that particular statement can be used, in what situations the particular statement can be used. So obviously this website is used for fresh students, those who are starting their coding journey. Okay, so if your coding journey was good, then you can move on with a few more websites like HackerRank. So this is a website, HackerRank.com. So click on here and you can log in here, okay, with your Gmail account. So no problem. So here you can see the resources and see for developers. Click on for developers. You will be getting a lot of things. See, interview preparation kit is here, and see these are different technologies. So if you want to solve problems in C, so click on C. So here you will be finding a lot of problems. Hello world in C, playing with characters. Okay, so if you click on this solve challenge, you'll be getting the online editor. So before that you have to log in. So you can log in with your Google account or LinkedIn or GitHub or Facebook, or you can also register for this with a different account name, right? So once you've done, you will be getting this type of editor, online editor, and here you can edit here. the statements can be edited here, okay, in order to solve that code. So see, this is a problem, and you will be seeing a lot of problems similar to this one. Hello world, playing with characters. See, these are all different problems you can solve here. And see here in the right side, you can see solved problems and unsolved problems. There are a few unsolved problems also. So see, these are all the problems which you have not solved. So those you can be solved. And skills, see basic and see intermediate, and you can select either, and also select both. So you'll be getting both the problems, both kind of problems. And also you can select the difficulty. So start with the easy, next medium, and go to the hard. And also you can filter the problems with the using subdomains. If you want to solve the problems on conditional loops, so you can go with the conditionals and loops. That is a control structure. So you'll be getting all the problems related to the control structures. And if you want to solve the problems on functions, so click on the here functions. You will be getting the problems related to functions concept. So like this you can solve the problems. So don't worry. So you can simply log in with your Google account, no problems, and you can start practice coding. So this is the second one. And the third one is HackerEarth. Similar to HackerRank, there is another one is called a HackerEarth. See, this is a HackerEarth. So click on HackerEarth, and from here you can also go with the see for developers. Click on for developers, and see, scroll down, you'll be getting a lot of testimonials and reviews. See, practice now, take your coding to the next level. Practice now, click on here practice now, and see there are different technologies: interview preparation, code mock, basic programming, algorithms related, data structure related. So select the technology, and here you will be having the same different problems which you have seen similar to our HackerRank, right? So here arrays, one dimensional, multi-dimensional, and similarly stacks, queues, hash tables, linked list, trees. So you can filter. Okay, you can filter the problems according to this one, right? So binary or n-array trees. So these are all different problems you will be having. And for this also you need to log in. So if you click on solve now, so you have to log into code and log in with Facebook account, GitHub account, or a Google account, and you can solve the problems here. This is so all the websites were having online editors. You need not install any kind of IDEs to practice coding. So every website is having their own online editors. So simply log into your account by using your Google or Facebook or GitHub or anything. So you can also create your own account. So for that account, so you can log into the website, and you can practice a more number of problems. Okay, and then the next one is a LeetCode. LeetCode. So after completion of this one, you can go to the LeetCodes, and once you got an confident on coding, so you can go with the LeetCode, and see here also you just sign in. So first to sign up with your account and sign in next. Just a second. Yes. So here you can sign into this LeetCode, and here you will be finding the problems in the menu. So click on problems, and here also you'll be finding a lot of problems here. So you can start writing the code. See here, these are all different category of problems, and here you can filter. Okay, and see the difficulty level, the status, and the tags. So the topics you can search, and here you will be getting the different problems. So add two numbers, click on here, and you'll be getting an editor. So in that editor you can write the code. So here you can see the case study. Okay, So study the case, this complete problem, and analyze it and try to write the code in this section. Okay, so once you have done with the problems, and if you are confident about doing coding, if you are having some sort of confidence, and then simply you can go with the contest. You can apply for the contest. Okay, you can participate in the contest, and definitely that will give you a more encouragement and more confidence about your programming. Okay, so after completion of this, there the next one, the another website where you can practice coding is GeeksforGeeks. This is also very useful website where you can learn and practice. So here you can see a lot of technologies are here. Okay, so see practice, go to the practice and go with the, see company wise coding practice is also available. Amazon company coding practice, Microsoft, Flipkart, etc will be available. So see language wise coding, CPP, Java and Python. You can select any one of the language and you'll be finding a lot of problems here. Okay, the level also given easy, the basic level, and you can see a lot of problems. So just click on solve the problem and you'll be finding, and here also you need to log in. So sign up. So sign up with your details. You can sign up with your Google account, Facebook, LinkedIn, the GitHub. So directly it will be log into your account. So there you can see the case study. So read the problem and try to solve the problems here. And morely, you just here you can observe the contests. So here you will be having the hackathons, a list of hackathons. So you can select anyone, and just once you are confident on your coding level, you can participate in these hackathons where your coding will be improved more. Okay, so whether you'll be getting the prize or not, that is a secondary thing. So just practice and just attempt, uh, the register for a hackathon and try to participate in the different hackathons once you are good at programming. Okay, so before attending to the hackathons, just practice the coding. Okay, and then only you just move on with the hackathons. So definitely you will be strong in coding. So definitely these 5 websites will give you a more confidence on your coding, and definitely you will be improving your coding knowledge more, and definitely your coding journey will be beautiful, right? So save these all websites and make sure participate and solve more number of problems and spend more time in coding, analyze each and every statement and get benefited and be strong in coding. So hope you enjoyed the session, and uh, if you are having any queries, you can post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to solve your queries. And that's all today. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.